अभी इसको इसके ऊपर डाल दो पूरा, इसके अंदर महाराष्ट्र में है क्या। माथेरान गया था हम घूमने को, ऐसा घोड़े पे बैठा था, ऐसा किया था वो है ना। बस हुआ क्या, तू मेरे पास मत ना, उसका फोटो नहीं आता है ना। बस क्या, बस ना बंद करूँ या चालू रखूँ, जान दे आगे हट। ले ले
You Aditi, why are you so confused, man? There is an arrow right behind her. There's an arrow right behind her. मतलब ये रहा. Oh God, shit. Should I tell her that the arrow is right behind her? She's so confusing.
Come on, yaar. Stop this. Stop recording videos.
Dude, Aditi, there's an arrow like right there. Like seriously, there is no one. This really feels like. Should I take out my knife yet? Should I take out my knife?
You have it?
Yeah, I have a knife. I always carry a knife.
Anything she needs, she can call me. Don't worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me. Just know if you cross her, then you cross me, cross me, cross me. If you. Anything she needs, she can call me. Don't worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me. Just know if you cross her, then you cross me, cross me, cross me. If you.
She ain't messing with no other man. Me and her are something different. I really need all you to understand that nobody's coming.
Dude, we are at in the middle of the clouds somewhere, and this edge is the end. This is the end. We're not going near there, but yes, we will because we are such. And look who's here. Yes, Mr. Ed Sheeran is here, and yeah, man, it's beautiful here. It's beautiful here. Hey, beautiful. Hi, Aditi.
Hi, Radhika.
Isn't it beautiful here, yeah?
Someone told me, always say what's on your mind, and I am only being honest with you. I get lonely and make mistakes from time to time. Say no man call, yeah. Baby, I bet, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I bet, yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, I bet, yeah, yeah.
Look at this beauty. By the way, I still don't understand what thrill is it for people to sit on the edge like this. Like literally I don't want to say, but still. We are good, we are good. So we took out our chocolate. Like chocolate. You can see I'm eating chocolate. And this monkey has had his eyes over that chocolate for quite long. So Aditi opened the chocolate very secretly in a bag. That's bad. Sharing is good. Oh my god. Where is he? Right behind you. Oh my god. Hi Chuck. Okay, वो कट्टी करके गया मेरे से. Sorry bro. So sorry. Okay, so this is Charlotte Lake. Nice. And that's my love. Oh sorry, my love is in my pocket right now. I can show you my love. Oh no, that's my love. That's not my. Okay, sorry. I went too far with the joke, but yeah, Ed Sheeran is in my pocket. And this is Charlotte Lake. And yeah, that's about it. This is about it, actually. Are you tying your hair, Aditi? So the guys behind us, you know, these guys, these were, they started talking about Section 377 and how gay sex is now legal in India. By watching me and Aditi, I mean Ed was so pissed off at them, but then, you know, he's cute and he understands. But those guys, you know, some people just don't have the chill. Right, Aditi? Aditi, where are you? Aditi? Where? Where are you? चलते चलते यूं ही रुक जाता हूँ मैं, बैठे बैठे यहीं खो जाता हूँ मैं, I couldn't remember any other song from Chalte. So, Chalte, Chalte. Any other song? Aditi, except Kabhi Kabhi Aditi. That's the only song you know because Kabhi Kabhi Aditi. गाना रे. Thinking out loud, maybe it fell right where we are. Din 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 din. Din din. अदिति का मुंह बड़ा या फिर ये डैन बताओ. En route किंग जॉर्ज पॉइंट. उतर पाएंगे इन पत्थरों से. एड शीरन को अंदर हाँ जा पाएंगे अपन. इट्स नॉट या
अंदर रख दो.
हाँ अंदर रख रहे हैं. It's the same place we were at अभी, the Charlotte Lake, and it's the same waterfall, but look at the view, man. Just look at this view. Dude, it's awesome, yaar. And it's more awesome because we are right here, and death is right there. Yeah, there. Oh man. So this is another point. So there are various points. So you can see right there is a point, and there were people like right behind this tree, which is also a point. But basically all of these are facing towards this particular area only. So yeah. So we are just sitting and chilling here at one point only for the rest of our day, because makes no sense moving from one point to another looking at the same bloody mountain, which is beautiful by the way. But okay, so yeah, this is a shack, such a nice shack of ours, sitting and chilling here in between Bisleri bottles and shit. Yeah, so hey, hi Aditi.
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah, how do you find Mathera?
Say hi to doggy.
Hi doggy. Hi doggy.
Hi,
Yeah.
Bob.
This is considered to be the echo point. So if I say hello from the other side, somebody will say hello from the other side. So I know I make nice jokes and stuff, but I won't, disturb anybody from the other side. But yeah, the view is breathtaking, man. It's awesome. This is my circle of happiness, and everybody is allowed to eat happiness. So we are eating happiness with a crunch. Right. So finally Chuck found his food, because हम लोग उसे छुपा छुपा के खा रहे थे. हम लोग छुपा छुपा के look at Housey. पूरा भर लिया उसे अपना मुंह.
खत्म कर दिया. एक थोड़ा सा छोड़ दे.
थोड़ा सा छोड़ दे Chuck यार, please यार. एक one. Yeah, not sharing is bad यार. Go away you monkey. लालची monkey. लालच बुरी बला है दोस्त. आदित्य.
खाना था मुझे वो.
Sad यार. Bye Chuck.
So you're feeling tired?
Too much. Yeah, I'm very tired because we are walking all the way. We didn't take any. So and 5:40 is the last train.
Oh, so we have to like run, no? Don't we?
Yeah. Hi Aditi, what's up, bro? इसका नाम क्या है घोड़े का? जावेद और वो जाफरी. Wow. Sexy names, huh? So yeah, saying hello to your buddies, like, studied in the same school, but बड़े होके मिलते हैं तो हाई फाई भी नहीं करते. So यहाँ के घोड़े वैसे हैं. Both of them are good friends like me and Aditi. Yeah. यहाँ पे क्या सिर्फ? अच्छा सिर्फ बॉयज है.
तो फिर बढ़ता कैसे?
अच्छा
We could change this whole world with a piano, add a bass, some guitar, grab a beat, and away we go. I'm just a boy with a one-man show. No university, no degree, but Lord knows everybody's talking about exponential growth and the stock market crashing in their portfolios. While I'll be sitting here with a song that I wrote, saying love could change the world in a moment. But what do I know?
Mame, go this side. Ouch! Mame.
we are at a kids playground here. This is a school, a very very pretty school. You know जो मास्टर जी होते हैं जहाँ पे, एंड वैसा वाला स्कूल है, काफ़ी awesome. But yeah, this is the last spot that we are visiting right now because the day is going to end and the train leaves 5:40, so we have to be there then. And yeah, these kids are very pretty, very pretty looking kids. And hey Aditi, how was your Matheran trip this Sunday?
Over now, about to get over now basically. And with Radhika it was like ultimate. I really thoroughly enjoyed the trip. Thank you.
Yeah, she didn't think actually कि मेरे साथ इतना enjoy करेगी वो, but yeah, okay. Thanks Aditi. And okay, she wasn't even listening, you Aditi. Fuck you. Okay, so Chuck is back again. We were ending our trip on a sweet note. Aditi is ending her note on a Oreo note. But okay, and Chuck was Chuck. Oh, बड़ा वाला Chuck आ गया. Sorry, we cannot tease Chuck anymore. तो अभी Aditi was eating her Oreo bar, $100 Oreo bar, and Chuck the monkey came and just snatched it from Aditi like that. Just snatched the upper part. Aditi hit the cone part.
I tried to save it. I had to throw it.
Sad, yeah. Please do not have $100 cone Oreo bar at hill stations. Please don't, because monkeys are good everywhere. Sad, yeah. Aditi was like,
Yeah, I will show you like that.
sad, yeah. I hate my cookie bar, यार. Safe inside. एकदम छुप गई मैं, एकदम ऐसे कर्ल कर लिया
I was
मैंने.
planning to this tall monkey that look at this girl, this girl has a bar. But I thought
But sadly, damn यार, इतनी अट्रैक्टिव नहीं लगी मैं उसको, और मेरी कुकी बार उसको ओरियो पसंद आया तो उसने ओरियो स्नैच करके खा लिया. एंड सैड डे फॉर अदिति अगेन. So hi Aditi. So we missed the last train. So now we are just walking by the rail tracks. And it so happens that we'll reach before the train. So let's hope we don't get many obstacles in this path, because there are already many. It's really tough to walk in between these stones, the rail stones. But it's really sad, yeah, we missed the last one because of that bandar who snatched Aditi's ice cream. But yeah, all's well that ends well, and I guess this trip was a perfect Sunday out for both of us.
All you cool people, you better leave now, because it's about to happen.
I came to vibe, yeah. On something, on something, on something I wanna buy, yeah. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me, I came to vibe, yeah. Won't let nothing come in between me.
Papa इसी पे चलता है. That was a snake, man. Shit, that was a snake. That was a creepy snake. We did not actually say anything because we didn't want to distract him. Oh my god. Look who we found. So we found a lot of animals here. Anyways. So, as promised, we reached before the train did. So, hey, आदिति आ गया स्टेशन. अभी स्लो हो जाती. वो सही में एक्चुअली वो शी वॉज स्पीडिंग विद द ट्रेन, यू नो, कम्पीटिंग, बिकॉज उसको अभी फ्लैश बोल दिया तो अभी वो भी क्या करे, यू नो, उसके लिए कंपटीशन हो जाता है थोड़ा. आदिति, आदिति, यस, वी आर हियर एट दिस. हम लोग फाइनली पहुंच गए हैं. वी आर एट
Aman Lodge.
yeah. So this is the toy train station's name, Aman Lodge, and Aiga finally here. And now we'll take a cab back, the share taxi back to Miral, and there we'll have to purchase tickets to Jogeshwari again, and then we'll have to again go through the same 1.5 hour journey before we actually decide where to eat. Because
And most probably
yeah,
eat at Andheri.
Andheri, where in Andheri?
Because there's no
There is some dosa wala. We plan to have South Indian today because it's been some time.
because we had too much of Marathi food in the afternoon.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, yay. Return to Matheran.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
No! Fucking Radhika!